welcome to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. English. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I have never done a video like this before. I am obsessed with hair. I love my hair. It's like my prized possession. And a few years ago I got this book and it is filled with hairstyles, a lot of different hairstyles. So today I'm going to do something that might turn into a fail video, but I'm going to try anyway. And I'm just going to flip through, and whatever page I land on, I'm going to attempt to do that hairstyle. So let's just go right into this video. Okay, so just to give an example, I'll just do a few flips before I actually do the big flip, is heart-shaped angel braids. That's what it looks like. And then another one, fishtail crown braids. Looks like that. Dutch crown braids. A lot of braids in this book. So, I'm nervous. I usually have my hair down, up in a bun, or curled. Like, I don't do braids so much anymore. I used to a lot in high school, so it might be interesting, guys. So let's do the flip. Waterfall braid. Okay, I think I've done this before. So this is what it looks like. You can do them a couple different ways. That's another one. So, okay. Oh no. So I'll read the description of it. It says English. It says Waterfall braid, the look. This style uses French braiding technique, but instead of picking up a new strand of hair from the bottom, you allow it to flow through, creating a cascading waterfall effect. This braid can be done in any length of hair, from chin length bob to very long. The stunning waterfall braid is perfect for long days on the beach and casual outdoor parties, and is a gorgeous choice for a boho bride. It takes some practice to perfect. English. It takes some practice to perfect. Oh my god. It takes some practice to perfect, but looks fabulous when you get it right. Level of difficulty, hard. Ideal hair length. Any hair extensions needed? No. Assistance needed? Yes, but you can do this in your own hair with practice. Guys, we might be in trouble. Accessories. The beauty of this braid lies in the elegant falling sections, so you don't have to decorate this style further. For a sweet touch, you could finish the braid off with a simple ribbon or weave a daisy chain through the waterfall. Try this. You start from the left and work your way right, depending on which side you prefer to part your hair. This braid forms part of the waterfall bun and can be doubled up to form the perfect double waterfall braid. Okay, so I'm gonna have to sit a little bit different to try this. You guys, this is gonna turn out so bad. From the front. Okay. So it started off like a regular braid. Okay, now here is the real challenging part. I'm going to drop this piece. And it said, pick up a piece right behind and cross that over. really should brush your hair before this, but it is also 11 at night, so. I find it really hard to have my head cranked to the side like this. Okay, and now what I don't like about braiding is I have to somehow get my hand up here to pick up all these pieces so that I can start going in the back. Okay, so it's definitely not the best, but it's not the worst. It could definitely become a look. I think like the book said, you just need lots of practice with it, but like, I mean, you can see where I dropped the hair. I don't know, you guys. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was kind of weird, kind of random. Might have not even turned out. Might not post this, who knows. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.